Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think that this first 5 ways up is a wave A. I think we are likely now in an ABC of wave B, which I think is likely to take out both of these lows before it actually tries to make another attempt on the uptrend for a bigger wave C. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's a very clear pattern on the weekly. I think it's very, very clear this is 5 ways down wave A, 1, 2, 3 ways up wave B with a higher high wave B. Happens a lot. I just call it an irregular wave B. Then this is probably likely now going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, just like what I showed on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think we have the end of a wave 1 right here. I think that we are likely now in a wave 2, which I think this wave 2 needs to go up to at least one of these higher Fibonacci levels. Tomorrow is a really big news day for the US dollar, and I actually think that CPI is not going to cause the end of a wave 2, but I think it's going to cause the continuation of this wave 2 correction, probably taking it up to one of these higher Fib levels before it potentially goes back down, maybe at the interest rate news that comes the week after, I believe on the 18th. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely 5 ways up right here. Makes you think it's a wave A. This makes you think it's 1, 2, 3 ways down wave B. I have a feeling that this is actually only a wave 1 and that this is going to go down, make a wave 2. Then I think it's going to eventually go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5, and this is going to be the wave C. So I think that likely we are actually in a wave 2 of wave C right now. It's potentially will be down, and then likely tomorrow's CPI will cause it to go up for the wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I have a feeling that we're gonna go down. I think that this is the wave 1 right here. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves of A. I think this is likely a wave B. I think this is actually gonna probably make 5 ways down for a wave C, which hopefully will set itself up for a long opportunity tomorrow, ending a wave 2 and likely going up for that big wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.